Samsung hasn't officially revealed the Galaxy S24 yet, but a lot of details about its features and appearance are already known. The three phones in the lineup are likely to resemble the previous models, with the Galaxy S24 Ultra having the most significant changes. Recently, images that seem to show how the phone will look have been leaked, and they appear to be quite accurate and realistic. Super Rotor has released concept images of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, aiming to provide a detailed look at its design. These images highlight the rumored titanium frame featuring flat sides and a flat screen. There's a subtle curve between the side rails and the screen, as well as a slight curve where the titanium side rail meets the glass back. The Galaxy S24 Ultra features a 6.8-inch screen on the front, surrounded by slim and consistent bezels. Turning to the back, the phone is equipped with 4 cameras. According to reports, the primary rear camera boasts an impressive 200-megapixel, accompanied by a 12-megapixel ultrawide camera, a 10-megapixel telephoto camera offering 3x optical zoom, and a 50-megapixel periscope camera with 5x optical zoom. For selfies, the front camera is speculated to remain the same, with a 12-megapixel resolution as seen in the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Anticipated specifications for the Galaxy S24 Ultra include the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy processor, coupled with 12 or 16 gigs of RAM, and storage options of 256 gigs, 512 gigs, or 1 TB. The operating system is likely to be Android 14 with the One UI 6.1 software. Rumors suggest the inclusion of a new AI-driven digital voice assistant, features like real-time language transliteration during calls, text-to-image generative AI, and various other AI functionalities. These AI capabilities are expected to be fueled by Samsung's Gauss AI mode. Are you excited for the Galaxy S24 Ultra? Let me know in the comment section. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.